Hi, I'm Slav and welcome to our studio here in beautiful Varna. I love what I do, and what I do is manage an experienced video production team. We have clients that are large multinationals such as Samsung and Allianz, entrepreneurs like Dentacoin, as well as small startups who are just starting their businesses. I think the important thing is that when we work together, you get something that is really amazing, something that stands out and something that really works hard for your brand or for your service. If you'd like to see our entire portfolio of work, go to WBstudio.com. Have a look, you'll see we've got everything on there, from whiteboard to the animation ads, to explainer, educational movies and more. Check it out. So if you want to have something really cool for your brand, I'm here. I'm very keen, let's do something great together.